reason we do what we do is to obtain justice, to make our clients as whole as possible for what's happened to them. It's a long process, and we have to work really hard, and we love to do it, but there's no better feeling than taking a client who's gone through this traumatic experience, whose life will never be the same, and a year, 2 years later, after a steady grind, we get to say, hey, we got you justice, and hand them a check. And sometimes it's changing the law, or whatever it may be. At the end of the day, when you get to look back on those years of hard work, it makes it all worth it. That's why we do what we do. That's why I do what I do. My name is Landon Littlefield, and I'm a trial attorney at Cloward Trial Lawyers in Las Vegas, Nevada. I love what I do. Every day I wake up with a complete sense of purpose. I've seen how it impacts other people. I've seen how it's impacted my family. The work that I do really enables me to help other people, which is, I think, just such an important part of having a sense of purpose, really. But there's a whole nother factor that plays into helping a person that's down, that's been wronged. And that took it to another level. And so that's why personal injury work is so satisfying, and I truly do love it. It's important to be fierce and persistent, and I'll even add gritty, right, to what we do. And I'll speak on behalf of the whole team, me, Ben, Ian, and really our whole law firm. Is everyone here has that grittiness that you need. Bringing a case from its inception to trial is a long time. It takes a lot of hard work and dedication, and the forefront of that is being committed to what you do, believing in your client's case. Once you start believing in that and getting behind it, it makes it easy to everyday grind and get to where you need to get to bring justice to that client and that family and protect their rights and interests. So we are gritty, we are persistent and fierce. The nature of our work becomes so intertwined with our client's story, knowing what has happened to them, what they've gone through, and what their future really looks like. And that requires us to get to know the client. How can we present to a jury and explain their story without knowing them at a very personal level? So it starts with our first meeting with the client, getting to know them, get to know their lives and their troubles, and what's their family lives like, where are they from in life that's brought them here. The jury wants to know who these people are, not just what happened to them in a one-time incident. We care so much about our clients, but every firm is going to say that. They're going to tell you that they care. The difference is we've been there. We've taken it to trial and to verdict, and we've successfully obtained large verdicts for our clients. We give every client 100% hyper-focus and effort and hard work to their case because they deserve that. Ben, objectively speaking, is one of the top trial attorneys in the United States, period. You will not find a more dedicated attorney and team than Ben Cloward's team here at Cloward Trial Lawyers.